Solutions for gray water tank corrosion. Gray water tanks are amongst the most aggressive environments on board a vessel. As solid waste matter breaks down, one of the byproducts is hydrogen sulfide. This chemical, when mixed with water, produces sulfuric acid. This very aggressive acid can and will attack unprotected substrates such as steel or aluminum. If left unchecked, this deterioration will ultimately weaken the structure of the vessel. This BELZONA procedure, like many others, is approved by the American Bureau of Shipping. This 100% solids two-part system is designed to not only withstand the acids found in a gray water tank, but many other chemicals as well. This high-performance, cost-effective coating can be brushed, rolled, or sprayed on for effective labor utilization. The BELZONA coating is solvent-free, which is particularly important for safe application in confined spaces like these tanks. This impermeable BELZONA barrier coating eliminates corrosion while maintaining the integrity of the tank indefinitely. The BELZONA coating is tough, durable, and chemically resistant. Protect your investment with BELZONA.